Alright, what's up, world? It's 8:30. Finally getting started here. Got a platinum and certified, both 2012. On the recording, real quick. There's a team rundown. Alright, so good luck, everybody. We'll do the platinum first, and then get on to the certified. Alright, good luck again, everybody. Appreciate all y'all. Thanks for filling this one fast. Alright, Marvin McNutt, rookie. Big Ben. Ruby. Hernandez, Clay Matthews, Kendall Hunter. Act 2. Alright, Lamar Miller, rookie. Kendall Hunter. Cards. Wes, Debo, Vernon. Boone, rookie. Bush. Marcus Ware, Deshaun, Michael Bush. Justin Blackman. There we go, another Colt. Oh, that's the one that you wanted. If you could have picked any Colt rookie. Numbered to 1001, Squaw. You got another T.Y. Hilton. Rookie patch, 2-color. Pretty nice. Numbered 63 out of 1001. Roy Halou, Marshawn, Alex Smith, Devere Posey, JD. Second hit, don't know if y'all saw that or not. I got Carson Palmer, Michael Vick, Frank Gore, Julio Jones Ruby. Rookie auto, Ryan Broyles for the Lions. Second auto. Boys in the Attic with the Lions. Eric Decker, Brandon Marshall, Turner, Debo, and McNutt. Rookie, RG3, Marcus Ware, Dre, Percy, Dez. Muscle Hamster, Doug Martin, Sam Bradford, Tony G, Rudolph, Brandon Lloyd. Blunt, Bradshaw, MJD, Miles Austin, TJ Graham. Carson Palmer. Locker, Cutler, Tony Romo. TJ Graham. Lloyd. Rice, Fitzpatrick, Big Ben. You're opposing. Tony G. Brady, Fitz, Steve Smith. Gates, Felix, Santonio, Jordy Nelson, third hit. Darius Wright for the Vikings, going to Big C, I believe. Big C, Darius Wright, rookie auto. Third hit. Probably the last one. Jordy Nelson. Small, Kevin Kolb, Bradford, Jay Cutler, Robert Turbin. Rams rookie, Chris Givens. Marshall. Dobb, Stafford, Ryan Matthews. 4 to go. Our Pierce, Romo, Foles, Guy Cut, Brandon B. Dub, Wallace and Gronk, Drew Brees, Greg Jennings, Julio, Jake Locker, Robert Turbin. Lindley, Ryan, Patrick Willis, Peyton, Andy Dalton, last pack 2012 Platinum. Certified next. Victor Cruz, Jimmy Graham, Troy, Deshaun, Sanu. Alright, there's a 2012 Platinum box. Just a sec.